Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, Chili 1911. I'm going to show you today a Marlboro Zippo, what it comes with and how it comes packaged and stuff like that. This is how you would receive it in the mail once you order it from Marlboro. So as you can see, from the shipping manager at Philip Morris USA. Get our Chinese scissors and get right to it. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out. It's a card about the reward system. That package is just a bubble wrap shipping package. Comes pretty small, it'll fit right in your mailbox. I have a small mailbox. There's 5 different Zippos you can get from Marlboro right now. The lowest points one's like 5,000 points. I think each pack's worth about 100 points. It's a street chrome. Then you move up a little bit, like maybe, don't quote me on the points, I think 5,800 is a black matte. Get on up to like 6,000 something is a standard brass. And then you've got the antique copper, which that's the top 3 is the antique copper, the iced paisley, and the filigree. The antique copper I think is like 7,200 or something like that, maybe. I could be wrong. And this is as of 2021. And then I believe the ice paisley and the filigree are the top 2 most expensive. So one I have here is the filigree 28530. This is also the newest Marlboro Zippo available. I had one of these and I gave it away, so I had to save up some more points. Check it out. Beautiful. That is a high polish chrome. At least it looks to be a high polish chrome. It's hard to tell. It's actually almost a colored chrome in a way, kind of like the iced paisley. Mirrored finish almost. Let's check the date stamp. If we can get our camera to focus. So it's a K of 20. So that would be in November of 20. I'm going to go through and do a video later on of the entire collection. Like I said, I think there's 5 now of the Marlboro Zippos. I have all of them now, except for the black matte, which I'm gonna probably get it next, just because I never got it because I never really wanted it, but I'm gonna get it next just so I can do a video on all 5 of them that you can currently get from Zippo, or excuse me, from Marlboro. But yep, so there you go. That's the Marlboro Rewards filigree Zippo. It's probably one of the prettier ones that they have available. That and the iced paisley, and like I said, they're the 2 most expensive. But I hope you enjoyed that little video. Like and subscribe if you'd like. Catch you on the next one. Chili 1911 out.